Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use convert function in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use convert function in Excel? Well, maybe you have a number and want to convert it into unit, or you're just new to Excel. So today I am going to show you how to use convert function in Excel. Okay, that's the number we had, and this cell. Okay, equals, then convert, tab. Okay, the number we want to convert into unit, comma. Okay, let's choose the unit, something like day. Okay, now it's 100 day, comma. Let's convert into hours. Okay, let's close and press enter. Now 100 day equal 2400 hour. That easy, guy. There you go. If you want to know how to use convert function in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.